In this video, we're going to complete an input-output table with a division rule. So if we have a problem like this that says complete the table using the rule, divide by 6. These are the input numbers, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, and these are the outputs. So they've given you this answer, and what you're supposed to do is you take the input number and divide by the rule, and it's going to give you the output number. So the first step, let's write out the division sentence. So 12 divided by 6, 24 divided by 6, 36 divided by 6, 48 divided by 6, and 60 divided by 6. So this second step is to actually do the division. Okay, so you could use the division table if needed, but it would be good if you can try to memorize what these numbers are. So we could use the chart. Here it says 12 divided by 6 is 2. So let's put that in. Then we go to 24 divided by 6. That equals 4. So let's put that in. And then 36 divided by 6. The answer was already given as 6. 48 divided by 6 is 8. And 60 divided by 6 is 10. And that's how you complete an input-output chart. And you could just put these numbers into the chart here. So 2, 4, 8, 10. And that's it. And don't worry if you don't get this right away, you could just rewatch the video. And make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And you could take a look in the description. There's links to other videos of mine that are like this if you need extra help.